how to set keyboard to Samsung voice input or Google voice typing on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, we now scroll down and tap on General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. And from here, go down, then tap on Voice Input. Here you can choose between Samsung Voice Input or Google Voice Typing. Here if I select Samsung Voice Input, if I open up my keyboard, if I tap on the microphone right here, this will bring up Samsung Voice Input. So that's Samsung Voice Input right here.
Enter.
This is Samsung Voice Input. Here, if I switch over to Google Voice Typing, then I go to my microphone. So this is Google Voice Typing. And that's it. So that's how you can switch between Samsung or Google Voice Typing. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.